Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer YouTube channel ownership to another Gmail or Google account. The first thing you need to do if you want to go and transfer your YouTube channel to another Gmail or Google account is just come to your YouTube and go to the top right and tap on your profile picture and make sure you have got the correct channel selected. If you haven't, go and tap on switch account. Once you've got the correct channel selected, then go and tap on YouTube Studio just like this. Now what you need to do is go to the bottom right and click on settings. Once you are on your settings, then you need to go over the left to this sort of list option and go into permission. Then you have to tap on this manage permission and it's going to go and take you to your brand account details, and now you have to come down to users and click on manage permission, because essentially this is where we can go and change the ownership. You may need to click on manage permission again like this, and then as you can see, we can see there currently I am the primary owner. So what you need to do is go to the top right. You've got this sort of icon with a person and a plus button, and when you hover over it, then it goes and says invite new user. To click there. Now what you need to do is go and enter the email address of the Gmail or Google account which you want to go and move the channel to. So then once you type your email, now we need to choose the role. So click on the role. In this case, because we are transferring it, we need to make it to the owner. Tap on owner and then tap on invite. Then in the bottom left it will say inviting users, and once it's done, so now what you need to do is go and check the email of this account. Google account that just invited will then go and get an email which looks something like this. Now what you have to do is click on this accept invitation just like this, and then it says become an owner, allow, accept this email. So I'm going to click on accept like this, and then it says accepting, and then here we go. After you have accepted, then it go back to the YouTube dashboard like so, and I'm just going to go and click on settings again, then go to permissions, click on manage permission like this, and then go and click on manage permission on the brand account details page again like this. Here we are on the manage permission window here, and then as you can see my original account here, and then my new one, and that's currently the owner. Well, this one is the primary owner. So to make this new account primary owner, all you have to do is click on this drop down menu again, and then you can click on primary owner, and it says the primary owner can add or delete other owner, change account permission, and delete this account completely. So then go and click on transfer like so. But what you need to do is you have to wait 7 days. As you can see in the bottom left, it says it can only be transferred after they have been a manager for more than 7 days. On includes manager. So on the 8th day you can then go and switch the other account to the primary owner. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.